Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Hello, students! Are you ready to learn the alphabet with me? Let's start with the letter A.
A is for apple. A is for apple.
B is for ball. B is for ball.
C is for cat.
C is for cat.
D is for dog.
D is for dog.
E is for elephant.
E is for elephant. F is for fish. F is for fish.
G is for grapes.
G is for grapes.
H is for hat. H is for hat.
I is for ice cream.
I is for ice cream.
J is for jellyfish.
J is for jellyfish.
K is for kitten. K is for kitten.
L is for lion. L.
M is for monkey.
M is for monkey.
N is for nest.
N is for nest.
O is for owl.
O is for owl.
P is for penguin.
P is for penguin.
Q is for queen. Q is for queen.
R is for rabbit.
R is for rabbit. S is for sun. S is for sun. D is for tiger. T, T, T is for tiger.
U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin.
V is for violin.
W is for whale.
W is for whale.
X is for X-ray.
X is for X-ray.
Y is for yogurt. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zebra.
Z is for zebra.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye!